Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya for any of you that are new. In today's video, I'm going to be installing a lace front wig from Allove hair. I hope I am pronouncing that correctly. It's Allovehehair. I will put it on the screen right now. Starting off the video with my bleaching process, super quick. I use my bleaching powder, my 30 volume developer, mix it up. I just used a little bit this time since it is a lace front wig. Applied it onto the lace and let it sit on there for about 30 minutes. Considering it's 30 volume developer, I needed it to sit a little bit longer in order for it to take as well as I needed to, since I could not locate my 40 volume developer. Yes, I lost my 40 volume developer. Do not ask me how that happened, but it did. So when I get ready to install the unit, here it is bleached. It's washed, all the bleach is out. Applying the unit should be super easy today, considering that it is a lace front wig. You are going to be very shocked when you hear this, but I don't think I've tried deep wave hair before. If I did, it was a long time ago, so I actually feel very beginnerish with this unit today. But I'm hoping that it's going to come out well, and we're just going to freestyle and see what I'm going to use you know, to get this wig laid. So let's jump into it. I do want to say though that I am very excited that this unit is a lace front instead of a frontal. I really just have to pay attention to the front of my lace, like right here in the center, more than everywhere else on this wig. Okay, so now the installation is finished. I added some baby hairs. I went in with my water with leave-in conditioner, as well as my ORS olive oil wrap set mousse, and this is the hold and shine completion that it has with this mousse. Put that on the hair just to get a little bit more of a defined, shinier curl to the pattern. I did comb it out with a wide tooth comb at the ends just to make sure I didn't get any shagging. Really appreciate the fact that this hair did not shed on me nor tangle. I was expecting it, but it didn't happen. So I would say that this is really good quality hair. This closure melted into my skin amazing. It's kind of slick, undetectable, you know. I believe it's a transparent lace. I added powder to my parting space as well. However, it was visible without the powder, but I did go in and add some powder. I also added some baby hairs. You guys, are you surprised? Are you proud of me? They came out kind of good. I just did three little swoops in the front just to make it a little bit more natural. I also can tell that I brought my frontal or my lace front down a little bit more than I usually do, and I think I kind of like it at this length. What do you guys think? Did it make my forehead too small, or is it too big? I'm really not sure. I kind of like it at this length though. I think it kind of gives me just a little bit of a smaller forehead, and I just like where it lays, but you guys let me know. All in all, I do think that this is a really good quality wig. I really appreciate the fact that I didn't have any tangling or shedding. Like I said earlier, that is like a big factor to me that I look for in wigs. I don't want it to shed, and I really don't want it to tangle. I'll have all the information in the description box below if you're interested in any of the facts of this unit. It's 24 inches long and it is a lace front wig. I'll have the rest of the information down there in the description box. But yeah guys, I really like how this came out. So thank you again to Allove Hair for sending me this unit. And I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you leave me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And that's all I have for you guys. So I appreciate you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Hey guys, if you got to the end of this video, make sure you stay tuned for the next video of this unit. I will be coloring it. So stay tuned because I'm not going to spill what color it's going to be yet, but it's going to be fire.